Hi parents, Visitra here. I am a public speaking teacher. In this video, we are going to do an activity where we will improve your child's creative thinking ability. Before we start, I would like to add that I also conduct live online one-on-one classes for students to improve their communication skills and public speaking skills. We offer a free demo session. You can try that and then decide whether to enroll. To register for our free trial session, you can do it in three ways. First option is to answer the questions and submit the Google form. The Google form link is given in the description. The second option is to drop an email to our email ID which is given on the screen. The third option is to DM us in our Instagram handle which is also given on the screen and the link is given in the description. You can use any one of the three options which is comfortable for you. Now let me start the class with your child. If you want to learn how to create a story easily, then you can check the videos that we have uploaded already. Hi learner. Today we are going to do a story writing activity but in a different way. For this activity, your words are dog, cat, frog, butterfly, and duck. Keep the given words as the main part of the story. Also, you can add your own words as well. You have to figure out the characters, setting, problems, and solution for your story. Also, don't forget to add the feelings of your characters. You have 10 minutes to write down your creative story. After every minute, I will give you a reminder. Now you can start to write the story. 10 minutes more. Nine minutes more. Eight minutes more. Seven minutes more. 6 minutes more. 5 minutes more. 4 minutes more. 3 minutes more. 2 minutes more. 1 minute more. Your time is now over. Learner, you can read your story confidently, loudly, and clearly. Well done, learner. Now, for the same image, let me read the story that I have created. One morning, a dog was walking near a pond. He liked the fresh air and the warm sunshine. As he walked, he saw a cat sitting under a tree. The cat was watching a butterfly flying around. The butterfly had bright wings and looked very pretty. The dog went closer. "Hello, cat," he said. The cat smiled and pointed to the butterfly. "Look how it dances in the air." Just then, a duck came swimming in the pond. It was happy and splashed water with its wings. A frog jumped out from the water and sat on a stone nearby. The dog looked at all of them and said, "Let's play together." The cat chased the butterfly gently. The dog ran beside them. The duck swam in circles and the frog jumped around. They all laughed and had fun in their own way. Even though they were all different, they enjoyed being together. From that day, the dog, cat, butterfly, duck, and frog met every morning near the pond. They became good friends forever. Moral: friends can be different but still play and stay happy together.